Oh, are you gonna meme me? Is that why you want it? This is the
Ryan
Shungai.
has Shungai.
What is Shanghai?
You don't know what Shungai? I actually learned not too long ago.
It's from Russia.
Hello, I'm Taeha and welcome back to today's channel. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. I'm going to try to vlog for the main channel. A couple of us in the Orange County area will be meeting up together today to bring together our geonworks F1-8X keyboards. I think there's 10 or 11 of us coming out today, and we all happen to have either received or purchased the geonworks F1-8X keyboard. So we thought it'd be cool to just kind of aggregate them all into one place, take some cool group shots, some videos, maybe even stream the event, but also just to hang out. COVID is still a thing, unfortunately, and there is a pandemic going on. So we tried to take as many precautionary steps as we could. All of us got tested. Thankfully, all of us came back negative, but we will still be having, gloves, hand sanitizers, masks, and all that. So hopefully it should be a good time. Let me show you guys the keyboard I'm taking. Oh, this here is my personal geonworks F1-8X keyboard that I'll be taking. But yeah, there's gonna be a lot of cool content creators out here too. I think Lol Stacks, Gym Leader Nathan, Keone, Dr. Huru, Kimchi Jody Boy, I think even Mr. Changasaurus, aka Sussports. I have met Keone in person before, but as for the others, this will be my first time ever talking to any of them in person. So it's gonna be interesting. I have been talking to them online for the past couple months, and it should be a great time. So in terms of what I'll be taking my key cult number 265 as well, the raw aluminum. Gym Leader Nathan really wanted to see this, so I'll be taking this. Got my geonworks F1-8X packed up. I'll be packing up the camera in my bag here. Got an extra V-mount battery here. Taking my film camera. I've been taking a lot of film pictures lately. And also some beef jerky to just let everyone eat. I found this really good brand and it tastes really good. The Mahogany Smoked Meats Beef Jerky. They're amazing. You guys should try it out. I'm here. Let's go. Who is this man? Look at it.
Oh, sorry, wrong house.
Whoa. Wow, look at this.
Oh my god.
Hey, look at this.
Good lord. Is that what you look like whenever you vlog? Holy mother.
Hey, Taeha.
안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
Hello.
Holy. Look at Ryan's coffee setup. Holy moly.
Cute cappuccino.
Got its own iPad? What?
That's the control panel.
Oh my, this is so bougie.
On this bottom housing, there's some kind of a lip that other housings don't have for Cherry or a Gateron or Zeal. None of them have it. It has like a...
So it doesn't hit the bottom.
it hits the lip, but there's like space in between. It's like point.
This one's the F1 with the Huru switches.
Wait, what? You have Huru's? There's a Huru switch?
Yes.
What is it?
Damn, how do I join that group by?
Yeah, seriously.
It's the H1 bottoms with cherry tops with unwiped stems.
Oh, wow, the Huru switch.
The Huru one.
That's Poppy.
What? Live typing test?
That's Poppy.
Huru switch, boys and girls. That sounds so good.
Oh, this is the neuron.
Yeah, I can tell
This is the brain.
Not everyone here,
Yeah.
So this is the face grease keyboard, huh?
but. The face grease?
Yeah, look at the keycap.
Oh yeah, super shiny.
It's character. Hold on, you gotta get the shine on it. You gotta
I can't see it right now.
you gotta get it refracted off the light, you know?
Oh, that's so shiny. I like it.
Right? Kimchi rubs his face on it every night.
Just like...
That's how he gets the shine.
Oh no.
It's definitely an amateur
This
setup.
one's actually kind of big.
Let me plug this in.
Mr. Lolstax's
Yo.
thing.
I just want to be like Taeha when I grow up.
I started off with the SLW16. It's a good bike.
Oh, this one?
Yeah. That was the first line I bought.
There you go.
The C-stand setup? Okay.
Yeah, bro. That way you don't get the wobble test. Every time I do a typing test, it's like an earthquake.
Yeah.
And then you gotta get the C stand.
This is what keyboard folks do.
Touch each other's face bars.
I don't know who his PRL this is, but I'm
Smooth
just
operator.
join some.
Who put it out?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh my god, dude. You can't do that to me, man.
Having too much fun. Damn. Me flexing as I have this in front of me. That's a Salvin cap.
Ooh. This is R5, right?
Might be macro pack.
That's NCR.
printed.
RS so late. I thought it was 5. I'm so sorry, Giza. Please forgive me, Giza. Hey, look at that back. Observing keyboard nerds in the national habitat.
Let me go into this one. Oh my god.
Here, I'll move this.
Want to get the aesthetic slow-mo shot?
Wait, this is mine, right?
Oh yeah. Oh shit, I remember that. Wow. I don't know how you gave up that the blue 2.0.
It's so lit.
Wait, so this is the Kaze?
Yeah.
Yes.
And Lolstax designed it, or
Yes.
When's
Me
the
and
group buy
Kate Thrizzy.
when's the group buy happening?
That's a good question. I think towards the end of the year.
Wait, is this purple or navy polycarbonate?
Smoke.
It's a smoke.
Oh, it almost looks bluish. Maybe it's
Smoke
just light.
polycarb.
That is beautiful.
Koala sides.
Wait, I want one.
Engraved wood.
I would like one,
God.
please. That looks so beautiful.
All these keyboards are purchasable. Use Venmo.
Everything's for sale here.
Please Venmo me.
Welcome to the garage sale.
This is just like a flea market of keyboards.
I don't know.
That side angle is so.
This one's pretty nutty too.
Oh, you dude.
No.
I remember this one. This is like, he's got the vents on the sides. What is this? 65 with the
Have you built it
windkeyless
out?
blocker.
Yeah.
How's
I
it
built it.
sound?
Dude, it sounds pretty boss.
Yeah, judge who I keep up with the
Oh, is this USB-C? Oh, my bad. Let me plug this in.
type test. Okay, look at the speed.
Speed.
The lighting in your room's so good.
Yeah?
I think you should buy my camera.
Oof, that was terrible.
You
That
didn't
was
have your
terrible.
toes curled in. You have to do it again.
You zoom out and it's just like an absolute mess, and his is
Yeah.
pristine. Nothing else on there.
Why you gotta flex on this like this now?
The cleanest keyboard streamer setup.
Oh. Dude, this is nice.
You have
Dude,
those in
who
there?
said this?
Yeah.
This is this is yours?
Yeah, those are OG
Did you shine
jumbo
these
shots.
on purpose?
No, that's OG jumbo
Face
shots.
oil.
Everyone asked me that. I'm like,
Face
no,
oil.
dude.
Bro, that's way too even. You had to.
Look at that shine.
Wow.
Do both sides.
Yeah, hit on the side.
Have you felt Ryan's already?
Yeah, dude, wait, that kind of hurts actually.
Special colorway.
Ooh.
Rose gold.
The Sakura rose gold or Sakura pink.
Is this for friends and family, or?
Yeah, this was the friends and family unit. Obviously, I don't know BISO, so this is not. I got this from somebody else, but I could not say no to this. It's such a good
Very
board.
nice. The stream is now live.
So they're gonna be here at 3:30. That's what you said.
Who's streaming on his stream?
I'm actually kind of. How does the O-ring at the top? Like, how do you even like set that in
It's
place?
like it's two different O-rings. Like the top one's like super thin, and the bottom one's super fat. So it kind of sandwiches it with O-rings.
That's nutty.
Okay, I got you.
Cannot get this on the market right now.
So that's the count. I have a counter.
So when I do like a group by IC review, I grade them by good, okay.
Holy.
Do you do this for like
So nice. The ADD.
No, so yeah.
Look at that
No, it's
shine.
a point system where I do.
The fat boy bump-ons.
yeah, I saw it at the bottom. I saw it at
And
the bottom.
3 bongos. You got the tangerine, strange love, and the matcha.
Whoa!
Whoa! Welcome to Keyboard Central. Take your pick.
Keyboards.
This is
What are these built with?
Oh my god.
Retool blacks.
TFTI, dude, you live in Nevada. This is the office, guys.
Welcome.
This is where the magic
I was
happens.
literally just gonna say that.
Oh, Tim's streaming on his
Oh
phone.
damn! What's up? What's up?
This is just a reminder of how far like our keyboards have come, man. Like seriously. Dude, I don't know, man. It's got the G on it. You know what I'm saying? The G Pro, Logitech G Pro.
Let me put it through the Jody stress test.
The G Pro is the.
It's got
pinnacle of
character.
Meetup.
Yeah. People like the G Pro. People are saying G Pro is better than Keycult.
Yo, this is really cute.
That's cute, right?
Good, okay, meh, and bad.
But what are the flavor notes
I don't.
other than beef?
Yeah. But I think I can handle it.
I think your face is turning a little red, man. You okay?
It's the White Claw.
It's the white claw.
I swear.
Asian glow.
It's pretty good.
It's a different hand.
It's kind of spicy, yeah.
But
He ate the whole thing.
Is it bad?
That was kind of spicy.
Spicy?
Oh, right up my alley.
Go for it. Go for it.
If he sees it. Alright, ready?
don't eat my chocolate bananas. Don't eat my chocolate bananas. Put it back.
Wait.
He's a big fan.
Dude, I had to do
Hey, make this the start of the
Dude, that one of 3 artisan. My girlfriend.
came 4 hours late though.
Meetup started at 2, dude.
Oh, God.
Most delicate hand this side of Mississippi.
It's a nipple.
Look at that.
This is what happens.
Reference, I'm like, what, 5'9", 5'10"? What are you, like 6?
Wait, let me guess.
Yeah, see?
Oh, sorry.
You're
Let me guess.
6'1".
I lied. I'm not 6'1". Guess.
6'1".
Oh, dude, you're so
Oh
good.
my god.
You gotta give them that immersion cinematography.
Don't get the dog mad. But I really thank you. Like, I really appreciate it. It means a lot.
And then,
Meetup's coming.
We're all arranging the boards now.
thank God I didn't post to my Instagram. This is actually more aesthetic.
Wow.
I want this corner.
It's gonna be a vlogception.
This was the meetup.
A vlog within a vlog.
These are all mine.
Dude. Oh my god. Have you actually taken out all your keyboards and put them on your dining table? And taken a picture
Maybe.
with this?
What if I do it every weekend? I can't. What?
No. You should hold this while you post.
Yeah, can you hold that?
Definitely belongs.
All right, came back from the meetup. It's 9:30. I stayed there for a lot longer than I intended to. I think I arrived at like 1:45, so we pretty much spent I left at like 8:40, a good 6-ish hours today there, and I had a great time. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it too. I didn't end up vlogging myself all that much. Hopefully. Is this still called a vlog? We'll see how the edits turn out. I haven't looked at the footage yet, but yeah, I had a ton of fun meeting all the people who came out today, just talking to everyone. And you know, this is kind of what the hobby is all about. I think we maybe spent like 1 or 2 hours at most just talking about keyboards or actually playing around with the keyboards, and then the rest was just us hanging out, talking about streaming, how streaming is going for everyone, how everyone got into the hobby, what people do outside of the hobby, other hobbies we share. We ended up ordering pizza afterwards, and you know, just having a great time. And yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed it. There are future videos coming out before the end of the year, so hopefully you guys subscribe, click that notification bell, hit that like this video, and until next time, see you nerds.